Welcome everyone to our paper craft ideas. In this video, we're going to explore the wonderful world of creative paper art and show you how to make some really unique and beautiful projects. Paper may seem like a simple, everyday material, but in the hands of an artist, it can be transformed into something truly extraordinary. From intricate origami sculptures to layered collages and beyond, the possibilities with paper are truly endless. Over the next few minutes, we're going to take you through a step-by-step guide on how to make specific paper craft project. We'll cover all the essential techniques, materials, and tips you need to bring your own paper art creations to life. 1. Origami. Fold paper into intricate 3D shapes and figures like animals, geometric shapes, flowers, etc. There are many origami tutorials available online for beginners to advanced folders. 2. Paper quilling. Roll thin paper strips into tight coils and arrange them into designs. You can create floral patterns, abstract shapes, 3D sculptures, and more with paper quilling. 3. Paper cutting. Use sharp scissors to cut intricate patterns, silhouettes, and designs out of paper. You can create cards, wall art, decorations, and more with paper cutting. Paper weaving. Weave strips of colored paper in and out to make unique woven patterns and textures. This works great for making coasters, placemats, baskets, and wall hangings. 4. Paper mache. Apply paper mache paste, flour and water over a form or mold to create 3D paper sculptures like bowls, vases, masks, and figures. Paper folding. Beyond just origami, experiment with different folding techniques like accordion folds, fan folds, and modular origami to make pop-up cards, decorative boxes, and more. 5. Mixed media. Combine paper art with other materials like fabric, paint, collage elements, and found objects to make truly unique and layered pieces. The key is to start simple, then gradually build up your paper craft skills and experiment with different techniques and materials. Have fun with the process and let your creativity shine. Okay, let's dive a bit deeper into some creative paper art craft ideas and techniques. Paper cutting artwork. Use intricate paper cutting to create silhouette art, geometric patterns, and detailed scenes. Try layering different colored papers for depth and dimension. Look into using special paper cutting tools like small detail scissors for precise cuts. Quilled greeting cards. Use paper quilling to make beautiful, one-of-a-kind greeting cards. Quill flowers, animals, abstract designs, and more to adorn the cards. Experiment with different paper widths and colors for variety. Paper mache sculptures. Construct 3D forms like bowls, vases, or figurines using paper mache techniques. Add texture by incorporating crumpled paper, newsprint, or tissue paper. Paint, decorate, or leave the final pieces in their natural paper state. Origami mobiles and chandeliers. Create hanging origami sculptures by folding multiple pieces and stringing them together. Try mixing different origami models like cranes, stars, and cubes in one mobile. Hang them in windows, from ceilings, or use them as centerpieces. Paper weaving wall hangings. Weave colorful paper strips over and under a sturdy frame or cardboard base. Incorporate different textures like tissue paper, newspaper, or even fabric strips. Mount the finished weavings on the wall for a stunning fiber art piece. Mixed media paper collages. Combine cut paper shapes, prints, text, and other ephemera into layered collages. Add paint, ink, stamping, and other mixed media to give the collages depth. Frame the final collages or use them to embellish journals, boxes, or other surfaces. The key is to have fun experimenting and not be afraid to try new paper craft techniques. Start with simple projects and build up your skills over time. Let your creativity flow. Absolutely, let's explore some more advanced and unique paper art craft ideas. Kirigami shadow boxes. Kirigami is the art of paper cutting and folding to create 3D pop-up designs. Create intricate cut paper scenes that pop out of a shadow box frame. Play with layers, negative space, and lighting to make the designs stand out. Paper flower bouquets. Use paper to craft lifelike floral arrangements and bouquets. Combine different paper folding and curling techniques to create petals, stems, leaves. These make gorgeous home decor or even wedding/event decorations. Paper marbling. Create flowing, abstract patterns by floating paint on water and transferring to paper. Experiment with different paint mediums, techniques, and paper types. Use the marbled papers for cards, book covers, collage elements, and more. Parametric paper sculptures harness the mathematical principles of parametric design to fold complex 3D paper forms. These sculptures often feature repeating geometric patterns and organic, nature-inspired shapes. Requires advanced origami and paper engineering skills to execute. Paper circuit crafts incorporate simple electrical circuits into paper craft projects. Make greeting cards with LED lights, paper circuits that control sounds, etc. Combine paper engineering, electronics, and design for unique paper-based tech. Paper automata construct whimsical mechanical paper sculptures with moving parts. Use levers, cranks, and other simple mechanisms to make the paper figures animate. Bring the art to life through clever paper engineering. As you can see, the possibilities with paper art are truly endless. The key is to keep exploring new techniques, materials, and ways to push the boundaries of what's possible with this humble medium. Don't be afraid to get experimental and have fun with the process. Absolutely, let's dive even deeper into some cutting-edge and avant-garde paper art techniques. Computational origami. Using complex mathematical algorithms and computer modeling, artists are pushing the boundaries of what's possible with origami. Highly intricate, three-dimensional origami structures are designed digitally and then carefully hand-folded. This blends origami tradition with modern computational design. Bio-inspired paper structures. Paper artists are looking to nature for innovative folding and construction techniques, mimicking the lightweight, efficient structures found in leaves, shells, and other natural forms, resulting in remarkably strong, flexible paper sculptures and architectural models. 4D origami. Taking origami into the realm of the fourth dimension, time, paper models that can morph, expand, and transform over time through strategic folding. Unlocking new possibilities for kinetic, responsive paper art installations. Generative paper art. Using computer algorithms to generate unique, abstract paper patterns and designs. Intricate, fractal-like shapes are algorithmically produced and then carefully cut or laser etched into paper. Explores the intersection of technology, mathematics, and traditional paper craft. Impossible paper constructions. Bending the rules of physics, paper artists are creating sculptures that appear to defy gravity. Tensile paper forms, cantilevered structures, and mind-bending paper engineering. Pushing the limits of what we think is possible with this humble material. Interactive paper interfaces. Combining paper craft with emerging technologies like conductive inks and capacitive sensing. Creating paper-based interfaces, circuits, and smart paper objects. Blurring the line between the analog and digital worlds. And there you have it, everyone. You're now equipped with all the skills and techniques to start creating your own incredible paper art projects. Remember, the beauty of paper crafting is that there are no limits to what you can make. Let your imagination run wild, experiment with different materials, try new folding methods, and most importantly, have fun with the process. Whether you use your paper creations to decorate your home, craft unique gifts, or simply as a relaxing hobby, I can guarantee you'll find the process to be deeply rewarding. So, what are you waiting for? Gather your paper, scissors, and glue, and get started on your next amazing paper craft masterpiece. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Thanks so much for joining me today. Happy crafting, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.